Hi, this is Mommy Lex. So get ready with me. So aalis kami ngayon at ayan, this is my routine kapag aalis kami with Akira. Ayan, maglinis muna tayo ng bottle. Gagamitin ko yan while nursing later. So para maipon ko yung milk. So, ito yung ginagamit ko na bottle cleaner. It's a 5-in-1 brush. Lalagay.
Touch your nose, eyes, eyes, touch your eyes, mouth, mouth, eyes and nose. Mouth, mouth, touch your mouth, nose, nose, touch your nose, eyes, eyes, touch your eyes, mouth, mouth, eyes and nose. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye, my guys. Bye ka na daw. Bye. Bye-bye. Ganda-ganda ng baby ko.